Hey everybody, we are on kind of the last leg of the repair. In my last video we turned over the motor and heard it. It sounded good. It really didn't shake. I looked back at the video where you can watch the turbo hoses a lot better with the sun hitting them, and it's barely shaking at all. You can't even see it shaking in the video that I could tell, but I could feel it. So that's a really good sign. Paul is about to hit the road, and so I just wanted to thank him again for helping me out. Here's Paul. Cool Breeze Travel. What is it? Cool Breeze Adventures? Cool Breeze Adventures. I'll go over and show you the sign he had made up for his trailer. But he came into the picture a few days ago and really helped move things along, and so I really appreciate him. This is the kind of guy you want in your corner when you're facing something like this, and so I can't be more thankful for that. Anything you want to say?
Nope, just check out my channel, guys.
What's on your channel?
All kinds of stuff, fixing things, restoring things, adventure.
How long have you been living in this bus?
Year and a half, I believe.
And you built it out yourself?
Yeah.
And so where are your adventures going to take you next?
I'm going to heading to Parker and then Quartzsite, long-term stay, whatever. They're behind Quartzsite. Probably stay there for a while, try and fix my trike.
Okay.
First, and neutral went out, so we're gonna put me and Randy, the mobile traveler, are gonna pull my transmission back out and try and fix it.
If folks see your rig in your van or your trailer with your information on it, are they welcome to come up and say hello? If they're not, I can cut this part out.
No, that's fine. Yeah, I'd love to have them. I'll give them a sticker.
Okay, cool. All right, man. Well, thanks again. I'm gonna go ahead and back off and give another shot of your bus and your graphics on the trailer, and we'll talk before you turn the key over.
Okay.
All right, man. So that is Paul. Here's the cows that I've been visiting with. When I got here, that field had not been harvested yet. And now it's been harvested. It's been taken out to everybody. And the cows are now using it for feed. That just shows you. But anyway, let's get back. I want to show you the van, the bus. This is what he looks like. And here is his graphics. I'm a visual guy, so I'll remember seeing it before I'll remember hearing it. All right, we'll send something up when we get to a point where there's something worth showing. Oh, I'll show you this. Here's our mess. We got the air conditioner down, just something else Paul helped me with. And all this has got to get cleared out. I still have to put some brackets on to hold things in position and so forth. But I think by the end of the day, we'll have it wrapped up. All right, guys. See ya.